Today we are taking a look at the absolute best microphone you can get for just 50 bucks. This is the Snowball Ice by Blue, and this thing is basically the cheaper version of the original Snowball mic. So now I'm going to switch over to the actual microphone itself for the rest of the video, starting now. Okay, so as you can hear, the sound of the microphone is pretty darn good for 50 bucks. The lows are really rich, they sound awesome, and then the highs are a bit more faint, so not as pleasurable to the ear. Also, the optimum distance is about pretty close talking at a normal volume. So yeah, the overall sound though is really nice for just 50 bucks, and I'd say good luck finding something that sounds better for the price. Also, just to let you know, I am also using a pop filter with this mic. One thing to keep in mind though is that this thing will not work with your standard shock mount, so if you do want to mount this mic, then you're going to have to buy a special one, and I'd say depending on what you're using it for, you may want to end up mounting it just because of the stature being so short when using the included base. And speaking of the base or stand, it's made of metal and does a good job at keeping the mic upright and sturdy. As well, you'll be able to tell when the microphone is plugged in and working, as the little red light on the front will start to glow. The overall design of the mic looks really nice and definitely not cheap at all, so it'll look great with your setup if you have it sitting on your desk or something like that. In addition to the white version, the mic also has a black colored variant. The cord that connects the microphone to your computer is a nice length and is super strong. It's braided and is covered in a layer of plastic, so you're never going to have to worry about it breaking. So going over some specs now, this thing has a frequency response rate of 40 to 18 kilohertz, weighs 460 grams, so it has a nice weight to it, and all you have to do to use this thing is plug it in via USB and you're done. No extra drivers to download. Overall, the Snowball Ice microphone sounds really good for the price, and I think it specializes in those rich, deep sounds more than anything else. I'd say that if you're just starting out, this is literally the perfect microphone since it offers such a great sound at a comparatively low price. Thanks for watching. The link to this microphone is in the description below. As well, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos just like this, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.